Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajpal, and in this video I'm going to share with you one more word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book Tharoorosaurus. But before that, I'm very joyous to share with you that a 15 lecture series has been uploaded on TEC, and that video series is on advanced vocabulary through Dr. Shashi Tharoor's another book, An Era of Darkness. So for enhancing your linguistic competence, for enhancing your vocabulary, you can watch that complete 15 lecture video series on Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, An Era of Darkness. And in this video, the word that I'm going to share with you is from Tharoorosaurus. And it's a very interesting word as other words as well. The word is defenestrate. And see the image, some sort of animal being thrown out of the window in dustbin. So outside view is the falling animal and dustbin, and from inside the room there are some hands as if they are throwing this animal. So it's a verb, and literally to throw out of the window. It literally means to throw out a window, and metaphorically to jettison, to get rid of something, somebody. So the opposition is united in its determination to defenestrate the ruling government. So I hope you must have enjoyed this word, defenestrate, throwing out of the window. Literally means, and metaphorically, to get rid of somebody, something. If you are new on this channel, kindly do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can continue with us in this joyous journey of learning from Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.